How to change the date and time format for your Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can change the date and the time format for your Microsoft Teams account. So if you wish to change the date or the time format apart from your regular system settings, then this video is for you. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple and easy steps that I'll be listing right here. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply click onto your profile picture at the top. Once you'll click onto your profile picture, you can see this settings and more icon just beside it. So simply click onto this and choose settings from this menu. Or alternatively, you can also redirect to the same page by pressing the control and the comma button. Now once you're inside the settings, you have these different options right here. So from here you can choose the general option, and within the general, if you'll scroll down, you will see the language and regional formats. Now you can see this is currently enabled for following the OS settings, so it will basically take the app language, date and time format based upon your operating system. Now, if you wish to change this, the first thing that you will need to do is disable the operating system settings, and then you will be able to define the date and time format. So simply click onto the date and then choose a suitable format as per your pleasing, and similarly you can do for the time as well. Now, having said that, you can simply click onto this save and restart button in order to save these changes and restart the Microsoft Teams application to reflect those changes as well. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give a like, do comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.